Game start in 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go, let's go.
Everybody, go to the helicopter. Oh, okay.
We just straight on.
I swear. Right there. Don't shoot, that's too far. None of us can make it. Okay, coming around to our left. Somebody get up on my left.
He got it. All right, who runs quick?
Not me.
Okay, hit those hay bales down there. Go. Slide, there you go.
Easton. Okay, right to the helicopter.
We're at the chopper.
Do we have the same capture points?
There might be relative.
Okay.
Got one.
I might go down. Yo. Oh my, I think we all just hit that dude. Holy cow. Same.
Shield and 2 more. Roll up, we'll roll up behind you, take these bales.
There's one laying on the ground. Oh! Is that
shit? And I'll make him go.
Because we have to move out. There's not. Ah!
You got it?
We're out.
No, we're not. I'm behind Barry.
That's one. Oh, whoa! In the helicopter! In the helicopter! Max swap.
Hold that. Oh my God, see him.
Oh, I got him. His dead rag's on. Hey, pushing! I'm hit. I need buddy tap.